we're going to solve that 2 cos squared x plus 7 is equal to 7 sine x for x being between 0 and 2 pi, giving your answer in exact form. So my value of x is going to be in radians. Okay, so we're going to solve 2 cos squared x plus 7 is equal to 7 sine x. Right, the problem is we've got two different variables, we've got sine and cos x, so we can change the cos squared x by using sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1. Therefore cos squared is equal to 1 minus sine squared x. So replacing this cos squared x with 1 minus sine squared x plus 7 is equal to 7 sine x. And we now expand the bracket, we get 2 minus 2 sine squared x plus 7 is equal to 7 sine x. This is a quadratic in sine x, so we're going to have 2 sine squared x plus 7 sine x, and then 2 plus 7 is 9, so we're going to take 9, because moving over to this side is equal to 0. Just writing that out again. Right, to try to factorize that, the product will be 2 times minus 9, which is minus 18. The sum is going to be 7. And then the factors are minus 2 and 9. And therefore, minus 2 times 9 gives me minus 18. Minus 2 plus 9 gives me plus 7. Splitting the middle term up into 2 sine squared x minus 2 sine x plus 9 sine x minus 9 is equal to 0. Grouping the first two terms together, we've got a common factor of 2 sine x, bracket, sine x minus 1. Common factor here of 9, so plus 9, bracket, sine x minus 1 is equal to 0. Common factor sine x minus 1, so take that out, sine x minus 1, and then we're left with 2 sine x plus 9 is equal to 0. So either sine x minus 1 is equal to 0, which means that sine x is equal to 1. And then if we draw a graph of sine using radians, so this is 90, pi by 2, 180 pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. Graph of sine looks like that. We want to know where it's equal to 1, which is going to be this 1 value here. So we're going to get that x is equal to pi by 2. Or 2 sine x plus 9 is equal to 0, which gives me sine x is equal to minus 9 over 2. Now that's not possible, you can't have a value of sine x like that. So not possible, so the only value you get is x is pi by 2. Now you could look at the graph of this. This is the graph of 7 sine x, and this is the graph of 3 cos squared x plus 7, and you can see they just intersect at one point at x is pi by 2. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to solve an equation where you have to use a Pythagorean identity, i.e. sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.